Session is recorded. Good morning, students. I hope you're well. It's Eddie Pretorius here. I'm just going to do quickly something with you. Let me share my screen quick. Share application. Let me see the entire screen. Window, entire screen. Click on it and share. Let's see what happened. Can you see? Here we go. It's coming. Okay. Today I just want to do quickly where you find your theory, class tests, and formal exam, April exam. How to submit. All right. So let me see. Collaboration is sharing the screen. My voice is fine. Volume 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Content. Let me exit this out. And wait. Orientation. Very important. I just want to go through this. Number 9. I'm talking about this. How to upload and submit on Blackboard. All right. Let's see. Go back. Unit 1 and 2 we're busy with. Up. Theory test submissions. Here we go. Inside here, students, I click on the folder. We did chapter 1 and chapter 2. So what do? In the theory test over here, this is a built-in system called responders on Blackboard. And you click on begin. This is not for marks, but this is good for preparation for your April exam and class tests throughout the year. Actually, for the whole semester 1, but we're just busy with chapter 1, 2, and 3. I click on begin. And this is how you answer it. You click true and false, false. And I save my answer. Data consists of whatever, true. I click on the dot there and I save my answer. Porter's models of competitive advantage, yes, true. And I save my answer. And the same you do for the rest. What are the 3 applications of the system? And you type it in. Number 1, blah, 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 blah. Enter. Number 2, blah, 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 blah. Enter. Number 3, blah, 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 blah. That's my 3 applications. And I save my answer. Okay. And I continue until I come to the end. Question 14, save and submit. And I say, okay. This is the score and whatever I get. There's no timing. So you can take your time with it, people. Your textbook, your notes, your slides in unit 1. In unit 2, chapter 1, it's all in there. And the same applies for all the other 7 theory tests. And I click on OK. And it gives me a score of what I got right. Oh, I got 3 right. And the rest I didn't answer. So anyway, I was on the right track. So far, so good. People, this is your responders theory tests. Right. Let me go into, okay. Right. Let me go here now. Your true and false. I click on the blue one and I download. This will be downloaded into my downloads. I minimize my screen. I go into downloads, which I am in, and there's my true and false. I double click. And here I shade in my answers, whatever I got right. Designing a management information system is the first task to collect data and analyze it, not necessary. False. Because you first select raw data before you convert it into real data, or it's called secondary data before it becomes primary data. That's just an example. Anyway, I save my questions and answers and I shade it in yellow or blue or whatever color you choose over there, and you save it and you keep it, save it, and you keep it for yourself. It's self-practice, students. So every chapter when we finish, like chapter 1 and 2, these are the things that you work on. This is how you answer it. All right? But now I want to do how you submit a class test when we do it on the 14th, between the 14th and 18th of April. Exit. Go back into my, no, not that one, man. Sorry. Chrome. Over there. Class tests. It is formative submissions. Those practicals, Because when we're going to do 4.1 in semester 2 in the April and May month, Excel, Excel, Excel. And chapter 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is semester 1, term 2. Semester 1, term 1 is this. That's theory test. Yes, sorry, we did that part already. This is what I'm talking about, class tests. I'm going to go in here. This is now on the 14th and 18th, between the 14th and 18th of March, students, when we'll do class test 1 on chapter 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go into 2021's folder. I'm going to go into, say, to class test 2's folder. Inside class test 2, here we go. Here's your instructions. Chapter 1, 2, and 3, your textbook, your notes, your slides, your video, all your information you have ready. You're going to write for 2 hours and I download my test. And it's downloaded there at the bottom. I minimize my screen. I go into my downloads, which I'm already in, and I see for class test 2. Double click and I open it. Right. At the top, you enable editing. Now I'm going to do my test. I'm going to write student surname, initials, student group. It's going to be 2 hours or 3 hours. The number of papers is 5. You're going to write this in early May or in the 14th or 18th, between the 14th and 18th of March before we go on recess. This is your marks. The type of questions that they're going to ask is answer the following questions, true and false. So what do? I type in my answers here, students. I shade in, I space this line, and I type in. 5G network is higher than 4G. That is true. That's very fast. Type it nicely. P-R-E-U-E. Right. But now this looks so funny here. I need to align backspace on my keyboard. Backspace, backspace, backspace. There we go. Now my work and my answer look neat. If you want to, you can also shade it in and choose color blue. Or if you can shade it in over there to improve the quality, blue. Next one. True and false. Maybe true. And so on. Oops, not like that. Go undo. I just want to shade that one in over there. Right. You finish your paper, you answer the questions, you type in your answers, and you save. They maybe want you to rename your test file as the following. So I exit. I go back into the test where I downloaded it. This is the test that I did. I'm going to right click, show more, and I'm going to rename my test as surname, student number, my group A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm just going to use A, and CT2, class test 2. I click away. Right. I am going to upload my paper now. We're right at 9 o'clock. It's now 10:45, almost 2 hours. It's time to upload in the last 15 minutes. I go to my Blackboard. Where do I upload? On the heading, the title of class test 2, the name of the test. This is the area where I download the test. This is the area where I upload. I click on it. This screen appears. Right. Browse my local files, my desktop, or my downloads. Where did I save my test? I click. Almost like an attachment, students, when you send an email. Scroll up, downloads. External little class test 1, class test 2. And I open it. Can you see it here at the bottom? Right. I cannot submit to myself, students, so a red little line will appear here on top, but you will have a green line, a purple line, a blue line, meaning your test has been uploaded successfully, and most importantly, you will get an automated email response to say that you have submitted your class test assignment, April exam successfully. And I click on submit. Now, where this red line is, your line will be green, blue, purple to say it's been submitted. That is how you submit Close this. That is how you submit your April exam. That is how you submit your assignment 1. And that's it. Let me go quickly to assignment 1. Over there. I'm going to use 2021 last year's. Over there. I go into the folder. I click again. And here's my assignment. I download the question paper. You divide yourselves into groups of 4 within your groups. You do your assignment over 2-3 weeks. You answer the questions. Unit 1, 5G, WhatsApp, remote learning, all those things. You answer the questions. You got 2 weeks. You save your work. Let me open it up. Let me show you. Download quickly. I'm downloading the question paper. Minimize my computer and download. Assignment. Here we go. Right. Enable editing again. This is how similarly your assignment will look this year. And you scroll down and you read the instructions and your group members, your name, your student, you have a group leader and you have 3 members because you're going to work in groups. And every person's group member's name, student number, cell number, blah, 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 you get put in there, and this is where you answer your questions, answer your questions, answer your questions. Your textbook, your unit 1 notes, your 1, 2, and 3 notes. Everything is inside over here. You finish your assignment, you save your assignment, and you exit. You rename, right-click, rename the assignment as whatever they ask you to. Assignment 1, 2022, group A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, whatever. All right. In my downloads, I can copy and paste it over to my desktop if you want to. Show more. Desktop. Remember the keyword desktop. Copy, paste. Show more options and paste it. Right, there it is. I'm putting it on John Wick's eye. Okay. Now I need to upload it. My 2 weeks is done. I need to upload my assignment 1. I click on the title, the heading, the link, the name of the assignment. Over there. Remember, upload, submission, download, question papers. Upload the heading, download, upload, download, upload, download. All right. I'm going to upload and submit. Click on it. Blah, blah, blah. Exactly the same steps. Browse. Where did I save my assignment? On my desktop. Over there. Over there. And open. Here we go. You can see it. All your members' names, everything, blah, 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 blah. And submit. Again, you will get a green line, a blue line, a yellow line to say that your submission is successful. Students, if you're working in groups, only one student, the group leader, needs to submit it. Not everybody else, not all 4. All right? Because all your 4 names are already on page 2, as I opened up early on, where you type in your group members' details, names, and things in. Students, that's it. You will get an email as a notification to say that your assignment, your class test, your April exam, your June exam has been uploaded successfully. An automated email response. Students, that is submissions upload download for semester 1, term 1. So it's theory tests. Where's it now? There. You do on the PC. And you save for yourself and highlight those answers in. Class test 1. Class test link. 2022 folder. Class test 1. Inside here, you will have your test. That means the test must still be uploaded. All right? And you download with the blue, the links, and you upload on the heading. You finish your test within an hour and 45 minutes. Because the last 15 minutes is to upload and submit on Blackboard, on time. Again, students, watch your time. Students, that is how you submit on Blackboard for BCA. Actually, for all other subjects as well, but for us, this is how you do it. For class tests, for assignments, for your formal test, scroll down, formal. tests. April exam, your June exam, September exam, your final November exam. 20% weight, 20% weight, 20% weight, 30% weight. The last 10% weight is your 5 classes that you do for the year. And where do we submit that? Over here, like I just showed you. Class test folder, and here are your 5 class tests for the year. Students, that is how you submit on Blackboard. No stress. And I exit, and I go back here, and I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. And we can call it a day. Thank you, students. This is how you submit your theory tests, your class tests, your assignments, your formal exams for BCA on Blackboard. And I'm gonna stop sharing and leave. Cheers. Have a good weekend, and we chat soon.